Can you generate enough sales for your online courses or coaching programs just using Facebook? Well, of course you could, but you're probably going to make a lot more sales if you're in a lot more places. I mean, think about it. If you were relying on physically knocking on people's doors, you could knock on one door and could possibly make that sale, right? 100% success rate. However, if you went and knocked on 100 doors, you'd be making a lot more sales. This is a question that's come through to me from one of my lovely members, and it is a great question. You know, some people prefer to be on one platform. They like and know one particular platform. So great. Start there. Start with the platform that you're most familiar with. However, if you want to make more sales and reach more people, you are going to need to try and reach out to other platforms as well. There are some people that might be your perfect customers but are not using that platform that you are communicating on, and you're simply missing out on that perfect person. It is hard having to learn all these different social media platforms, but you are missing out on building those relationships, making those connections, and growing an audience that could be working for you elsewhere. Of course, you can only do one thing at a time when you're just getting started. If you don't want to be everywhere and it exhausts you and the thought of doing this work just makes you want to run away and hide, then maybe get a virtual assistant to do it for you. Go and hire a social media manager who will do all of the platforms for you. Maybe just get yourself some auto posting software that will distribute across all of those platforms for you. You don't have to do everything yourself. And if you just want to curl up and die at the thought of having to be everywhere and do all of this stuff, then that is somewhere in your business that you need to hire some help. So VA, social media manager, or automatic posting software is going to work for you to reach out across those other platforms too.